And the enterprise automation system also comes with a basic job costing detail view. And in the bottom part of this window, it'll summarize the costs for all raw materials used on a job, and it will also summarize all of the labor costs entered on the line items onto employee time cards. And then it'll divide those costs by the run quantity to give you a unit cost. And then that unit cost can be entered into the unit cost field, and also the purchase price can be entered into this unit cost field for purchased items. And then you can update all the master bill of materials records with the unit costs. So if your costs go up over time, you don't have to go through each bill of materials and find every inventory item. This will just automatically update all of your bills of materials for master bills of materials with the correct cost. And then you can enter your selling price into the fields on the left here. The default price is in the top field for the prices, and then you could set price breaks where if they purchase over 100, you could have a lower price, and you could enter any quantities you need for your company in here, whichever works best for your company. And as then this invoice items are created, and this inventory item is chosen on an invoice item, based on the quantity entered onto the invoice line item, it will enter the correct unit price. So if they were to order 575 on a line item on an invoice, it would enter the price $4.10 each.